Whether you're tackling general glazing applications, metal building projects, or repairing weather stripping and gaskets, Zialoc 8800 RTV Silicone Sealant has you covered. This neutral cure sealant is specifically formulated to ensure quality and consistency in a variety of applications and weather conditions. Zialoc 8800 is a low-odor, one-part neutral cure silicone sealant that cures to 100% silicone rubber. This product bonds to many common substrates such as aluminum, glass, metals, painted surfaces, and plastics. Zialoc 8800 is made from only the highest quality materials, which allows for optimum performance in weather and temperature extremes. This product can be exposed to UV rays and has a service temperature range from -80 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for intermittent temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. The high strength and excellent adhesion of this product make it an ideal choice for the transportation market for seam sealing truck bodies, filling gaps and cracks, while maintaining a water and airtight seal. Zialoc 8800 is also a great choice for the window and door market, for sealing joints, all while withstanding harsh weather conditions. At TBP, we offer Zialoc 8800 in cartridges and sausages, ensuring efficient options for jobs of any size. Our new sausage option allows for up to 15% less waste on the job, saving on both material waste and disposal waste. Zialoc is a national brand that is focused on premier service and solutions. The Zialoc national brand has the highest quality products and the support to ensure your satisfaction every step of the way. For additional information on this or any other products, please call one of our product specialists at 1-800-850-3338 or send us an email at sales@tb-philly-inc-dba-tbp-converting.com. From all of us at TBP Converting, we look forward to working with you.
This video is for demonstration purposes only. Please contact your sales representative for more information.